I dah lama nak buat video ni. Finally, hari ni lah harinya. I nak recreate Flackitsman punya makeup looks. And I think I'm going to use this as my reference. This one dia buat makeup look for Rizal. It's just like so gorgeous. Before we start, contact lens from Milan's Brownies. And then I'm going to prep my skin with this Obsess Glow Fix Radiant Setting Spray. Nampak tak? Now my skin terus jadi glowy macam ni. This as a primer is so good. Dia akan grip your foundation. I akan pakai cushion foundation Obsess Cosmetic yang 2-in-1 ni. Dan ni dia ada powder and also cushion. I pakai ni kot 01 tau. I suka gila dia punya pulse very lembut. Now look at this. I just love it sebab dia matte but not too matte. And the coverage pun sangat-sangat best. I perasan dalam video Aiman pun sometimes dia tunjuk dia guna juga banyak Obsess Cosmetic punya produk. Siapa yang tak pernah try lagi Obsess Cosmetic punya produk, you guys are missing out. And now just look at the difference. Before, after. It's literally flawless. The finishing is everything. I rasa cushion foundation by Obsess Cosmetics ni is one of the best among local brands. And here's the full face, flawless key dot. Now I can cream contour all over my face, but I nak add more warmth so that our face can look snatched, just like Aiman punya makeup. Contour dekat bibir ni penting, okay? And I can set everything with this powder, and I can guna brush. Nampak tak? Now my makeup jadi lagi smooth. This powder tak ada pun buat foundation I jadi lagi patchy or cakey. It feels comfortable on the skin. And I'm going to take this smallest face palette ever. It's so small. And yes, this one from Obsess Cosmetics. And look at this. Dah ada blusher, highlighter, eyeshadow, lip cream. Nak pakai eyeshadow ni as shading pun boleh. And we're going to do that. Kita ambil warna warm brown ni. Kita akan add more warmth to our face. Warna pigmented tapi dia bukan jenis yang harsh yang boleh jadi patchy. Dan kita akan ambil blusher yang warna peachy macam ni. And kita terus pakai all over our cheeks. Dekat hidung pun kita letak, kat bibir pun. And also on your chin. Kita ambil brown yang sama macam tadi. Kita akan contour. So kalau letak juga dekat bibir macam tadi. Lepas kita pakai highlighter yang dekat sini, kita letak all over our cheek so that boleh bagi efek glitter tumpah gitu. Letak kat dagu sikit, dahi sikit, brow bone, and also your nose. I'm doing my brows. I tried to make the kening cacat-cacat thing, but macam tak jadi, but it's okay. Okay, now that we're done with the base, I akan spray lagi satu spray tadi. And aku untuk base eyes yang start glowy kan. And it's so pretty. This is everything. Now for eyeshadow, I akan ambil this mauve colour. And I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. Lepas tu kita ambil blusher warna peachy ni. Kita on top ke atas eyeshadow tadi. Lepas tu akan ambil warna brown ni. Kita blend dekat bahagian crease macam ni. Lepas tu kita ambil rose gold glitter ni. Kita terus letak all over the eyelid. Now for eyeliner aku guna warna brown ni je. And kita akan buat a simple wing je. Lepas tu glitter yang sama dekat atas mata tadi, kita letak kat aegosal. Kita akan ambil eyeliner warna putih. Kita akan fill in waterline bawah ni. Okay, ada pakai falsies. It might be too tebal, but I think it looks good. Now for bulu mata bawah, I nak pakai mascara je. This one from Obsess. Mascara Obsess ni pun sangat-sangat best tau korang. Semualah produk Obsess ni best. Nah, nak pakai Obsess punya lip duo ni. Dia ada matte and also gloss. I pakai ni yang dekat 04 tau. Lepas tu kita apply gloss dia on top. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is so cantik. This is my first time wearing this. That is so pretty. Sebab dia ada glitter. And here's the finished look. Girl, this look is amazing. Sumpah saya tidak mampus. The eyes, the base, the lips. Most of this guna Obsess Cosmetics je babe. So kalau korang nak achieve this kind of look, korang boleh try Obsess Cosmetics punya products.